When it comes to dieting, breakfast is often regarded as the most important meal of the day. It sets the tone for our energy levels, metabolism, and overall well-being. Choosing the right foods for breakfast can be crucial, especially when aiming for weight loss or maintenance. In this video, we will explore some of the best food choices for a healthy and satisfying breakfast while dieting. These options are not only nutritious but also help curb cravings, boost metabolism, and keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. 1. Whole grain cereal and milk. Starting your day with a bowl of whole grain cereal and low-fat milk can provide a wholesome and satisfying breakfast. Whole grain cereals are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness. Look for cereals with minimal added sugars and choose varieties that are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals. Pairing your cereal with low-fat milk adds a good amount of protein, calcium, and vitamin D to your breakfast. Protein helps to keep you feeling satisfied and supports muscle maintenance and repair. Calcium and vitamin D contribute to bone health. 2. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a protein-packed breakfast option that is also low in calories. It contains less sugar and more protein than regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. Protein helps regulate appetite, promotes muscle growth, and assists in burning calories. Top your Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants and fiber while being relatively low in calories. They add natural sweetness and an extra burst of flavor to your breakfast. 3. Oatmeal with nuts and seeds. Oatmeal is a nutrient-dense whole grain that is an ideal choice for a weight-conscious breakfast. It is high in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer periods. Opt for plain or steel-cut oats instead of flavored varieties that may contain added sugars. To enhance the nutritional value of your oatmeal, sprinkle a handful of nuts and seeds on top. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, or cashews provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, while seeds such as chia, flax, or pumpkin seeds offer omega-3 fatty acids and additional fiber. 4. Egg-based breakfast. Eggs are a versatile and highly nutritious choice for a breakfast when dieting. They are rich in high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and important vitamins and minerals. Incorporating eggs into your breakfast can help control hunger and promote feelings of fullness. Prepare your eggs in a variety of ways to keep your breakfast exciting and satisfying. You can have scrambled eggs with vegetables, a veggie omelet, or a boiled egg with whole grain toast. Adding vegetables to your egg-based breakfast further boosts its nutrient content and adds extra fiber. 5. Smoothies. Smoothies can be a convenient and delicious breakfast option for those on a diet. Using a blender, combine a mix of fruits, vegetables, and a liquid base like low-fat milk, almond milk, or yogurt. Smoothies provide a great opportunity to incorporate a variety of nutrients into your morning meal. To make your smoothie more filling and balanced, add a source of protein such as Greek yogurt, protein powder, or a spoonful of nut butter. You can also include a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale for added fiber and antioxidants. Be mindful of the portion size and avoid excessive sweeteners or calorie-dense ingredients. In the end, when dieting, it is crucial to choose breakfast foods that provide a balance of nutrients, satisfy your hunger, and support your weight loss goals. Incorporating whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your morning meal can help you start the day off right. Experiment with these options to find the combinations that suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Remember, breakfast should be enjoyable, nourishing, and provide the energy you need to tackle the day ahead while staying on track with your diet. Please like and subscribe. Your like give us boost. Thanks for watching.